Hello and welcome. In this video, let's understand some of the string functions that are available in SQL Server. First one I want to discuss is the left function. As the name suggests, this will return the characters from the left hand side, meaning from the start. For example, if you have some string like SQL tutorial and you want the first three characters from the starting or from the left hand side, you can use the left function. I will copy this. Let's go to database and let's remove everything and paste this. So I'm calling this left function. So this is a inbuilt function. So first I'm passing my string and then I'm passing three because I want three characters from the left hand side. If I execute this, I will get the SQL, right? So this is how the left function will work. Similarly, we have the right function. So if I change it to right and execute this now, I will get the last three characters, meaning the last three characters from the right hand side. Okay. So I can increase this, let's say 6 here. If I execute this, I will get the last 6 characters. So this is how we can use left function and a right function. Now, let's see the purpose of substring. As the name suggests, substring will give a part of the string. Let's copy this and see what will happen here. So what I'm doing, I'm calling this substring function, and it is taking two parameters. One is the starting position from where we want to start. So we will start from the fourth character. Let's count from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at fourth location we have T. So we will start from T. And from T we will capture 5 characters. So we will capture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till R we will capture the string. Okay, let me execute this. I'm getting tutor because this is what is available at this position. In most of the programming language, indexes starts from 0, but in SQL Server, index starts from 1. That's why when we said substring from 4, it will take 1, 2, 3, 4. It will not start from 0. Okay. So this is the purpose of substring function. Okay. Next one is CHARINDEX. So CHARINDEX basically will find the position of a substring within a string. Let's see this with an example. Let's say I have this string here, SQL tutorial. Again, I'm taking this string and I want to find from where tutor is getting started. So I can execute this and you see I'm getting 4 because at fourth position this particular string is getting started. Let's say I want to see the index of Q. So I can pass Q here, and if I execute this now, I'm getting 2 because Q is present at the second position. Let's say I want to find the index of L. Okay. So if I put L here, I will get the index of L, that is 3. But you see, I have a L at the end also. So what I can do, right, in the char index, I can provide from where I want to search. So if I say 5 here, so what it will do, it will start from the fifth position. So I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will start from U, and within this string it will try to find the L. If I execute this now, I will get 11 because at the 11th position I have the L, right? So you can pass the starting position also in the char index function.